Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to fix games not using GPU in Windows 10 or 11. Firstly, try to update or reinstall graphics drivers. Press Windows plus S, then type Device Manager and press Enter. Expand Display Adapters, then right-click on your NVIDIA or AMD GPU and choose Update Driver, then select Search Automatically. Secondly, you can set the game to use the dedicated GPU. Go to Settings, then System, then Display. Click Graphics and browse for the game's exe file. Select the game, then Options, choose High Performance, which shows your GPU name, then click Save. And finally, if it doesn't work, you can update your Windows. Just go to Settings, Update and Security, then click Check for Updates. Install all available updates and restart your PC. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.